Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera not working on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, firstly, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update and update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, if you are using beta version on your iPhone, so simply update stable version on iPhone, so beta will issues. So after this, force close all apps on your iPhone, all apps close. And the next solution is check storage space on your iPhone. For this, open settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So guys, if your storage is full, so simply clear some storage on your iPhone. And the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. For this, tap on reset settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on reset and reset all settings here. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. Simply tap on reset all settings on the red button. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your iPhone camera issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are using the iOS beta version on your iPhone, so simply update your iPhone to the stable iOS version from iTunes or 3U tools like this. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.